Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to boost Facebook page for page like. So first of all, open your Facebook page and click on promote and click on create new ad, and now change your goal, get more page likes, and click on save. And you can edit your page description. You can change page cover photo by clicking on edit option, and button label, click here and select like page. And now you'll need to edit your audience, so for that click on this pencil icon. Now you can select your audience gender, age, location, and detail targeting. Then click on save audience, scroll down and select duration to boost your Facebook page, and select your end date and enter here your budget. You can edit or change currency by clicking on this change option. Now you can change your country, currency, time zone, and click on next. And now you will need to add your payment method, so for that click on add payment method and select debit or credit card and click on next, and fill up this form using your credit or debit card information and click on save. Now all you have to need, just click on promote now and your Facebook page will be promoted. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.